It's
Aaron.
Aaron, but the black teacher gets it wrong. Then there's D-Nice.
Oh, D-Nice.
D-Nice. Denise.
Yes.
Ah! I fucking hate fighting all these Pokemon. They're all cheap. They're all cheesy.
They're cheap. They're cheap.
Go
Cheaters.
ahead,
Cheaters.
normal types. Go ahead and do something, you fools.
Zakun.
How'd you miss?
Cheaters. They're all
Honor
cheaters.
Sleuth. Die.
Mr. Mime. If the Pokemon universe is real, I'd probably get a bunch of Mr. Mimes to rob a bank.
Why?
They probably would.
It's like, think about this though, right? They'd be like, yo, they're just mines. They're trying to rob the bank, and then they use second ability, just BAM!
That's true.
There you go. you're ever so slowly.
A Nuzleaf?
Those are pretty strong.
Why does he have nipples?
Oh!
Cause.
Oh no!
They're illegal.
Is that his legs or ball sack? What do you think?
Both.
They look kind of like they could be eggs.
Oh my god!
Nah, that's his penis.
There's too
That'd be
many.
weird.
Oh, he's a dark type now. That's right.
Dark nuts.
You
Wait,
fool.
so from Seedlot, Nuzlocke becomes a dark type?
Yeah.
Huh. I always thought it was his last evolution that made him into a dark type.
No, it's this. Haha, you fool. Now die! Can you not do that? Die!
Yes. Let him know the truth.
I killed Pinocchio.
In a good way, though. Pinocchio's actually
Whirlwind? Do you need Whirlwind?
like Whirlwind.
No, you're good. Stop learning Whirlwind yet.
Beep bop boop.
Wah!
Wario.
Come on. I just need him to evolve.
I just want to talk about my series.
want to talk about my series.
No, he's using stars.
Remember, hey Jose, remember when we watched that at your place?
What?
Oh wait, Mike and Melissa.
Oh yeah, I remember that. Man, that jump scare was really funny. Like I wasn't really expecting it because you was like, it's like watch. The whole video wasn't funny. The only funny part was that jump scare. To
Oh
me,
yeah, it's not. It wasn't supposed to be funny. It's just cringe.
Oh my.
Did that actually scare you?
No, he laughed at it.
Like
Oh,
I
I just thought that was so weird. Like I didn't understand. Like it wasn't supposed because it wasn't scary enough to be a jump scare.
it's so fat that you don't even see it, so you don't know. Like,
It's legit like 1 or 2 frames on there.
It's funny because someone mentioned it to me and I actually did miss it twice.
you blinked right when it happened.
Yeah, so I was like, "What's that noise?" And it's just like, and someone said like, "Oh, that jump scare is like crazy." And I'm like,
Oh,
"What
wait.
jump scare?"
It's funny because as soon as that happened, I just turned to Jose, and Jose just starts dying.
Oh my god, that was so funny. I said that one thing I've never wanted to. Oh my, that was just. Oh.
Oh, guess
That
what's
was
happening?
amazing.
What's happening?
Yes!
Oh
Yes!
I'm forcing evolution.
no, he's turning. We're whitewashing him. He's gonna slowly stop
Oh
becoming.
my god, he
Iranian.
looks different.
Yeah, you gotta change. You got a new haircut.
Bloomish!
You gotta fade. What is that?
Mushroom lizard.
Oh, Breloom.
Oh, and you know what's funny? His freaking arms have the Luffy. Has the Luffy properties. Oh, look what he learns. Mach punch, baby.
I can't fuck that.
Yes.
Uh,
Maybe, what's the word?
I like leech seed. I need leech seed. Or
What's what's the word? You already have sleep powder, so
Yeah,
just
okay.
get rid of stun.
Yeah. Plus, he's a fighter. He needs to fight. That was cool.
Now let's fight the fanatics.
You can take it. Oh my god!
Ow.
Also, there's a Pokemon in here. Can we get a Muck? I want a Muck. Give me a Muck. Give me a Muck.
Why would you want to muck? Spell his name backwards.
Yes!
Wow, you got Muck.
Because he's
I got a
funny.
primer.
He's funny. Fake out.
Say, spell his name backwards. Spell IHOP, then say Ness.
Do it again. Fake out. Fake his ass out. Fake out.
I
Fake
can't-
out again.
It's only a one-time thing.
Oh.
Go ahead, Lopez, say IHOP, then spell IHOP, and then say Ness.
Oh, what's the net?
Tuna sub.
wait. I have Ness?
Say, spell IHOP, then say Ness.
IHOP Ness. I don't get it, dude.
You gotta keep saying it until you get it. It's funny.
Ah, damn it. Okay. IHOP Ness. Damn it. What does it mean? What does it mean?
What's going on?
Spell IHOP, then say Ness.
IHOP, not Ness. I don't get it.
Oh, I have an 8-inch penis, yo.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, I do.
That's what I'm talking about.
All right, John, you get to name him.
Name him Muck.
It constantly leaks a horrible shirt. Mark.
Name him, what do you call him?
Oh.
Ooey gooey. Look how he looks there!
Name him IHOPness.
No,
So, like,
John
so-
has
like,
to, no, John has to name
Name him, like Tommy or something.
Tommy.
He looks stupid. He looks like a baby.
Tommy, just Tommy.
Tommy Ness.
NISS or NIS?
NESS. I can't put tuna sub.
yeah, you can. You can take tuna
I
sub.
just have to get rid of Tommy.
No.
It's Tommy or tuna sub?
Busta.
He looks so stupid.
He does.
He's so good. He's cool. Look at him.
I guess go with Tommy, because Tommy does sound like a stupid ass name.
He's a baby, the little stupid baby from Rugrats.
Alright, so just Tommy then.
They name him Tommy.
Tommy was sent to the PC.
It looks funny.
Damn it! I want to get out of here.
Spell IHOP, then say Ness. IHOP Ness.
Ooh, John said the bad word.
It's
Oh, look,
funny.
it's Torkoal.
He's just fucking blunt smoking
Oh, I
bastard.
freaking love Torkoal. It's like one of my favorite favorite Pokemon. It's like on the show, he was just retarded. Arded.
Oh, there he goes.
Retarded.
Ooh.
Yeah.
He goes, ooh.
You arded.
Don't do that.
I want him to like be in like a hot. They have to use him for like a sauna. Put a bunch of water near him and just like do your thing.
They do. In one of the I think Pokemon, I think either show or movies, there's a scene where like all the Pokemon, right, and Torkoal, they're all just chilling. And literally all they do is that they give water to Torkoal, and he's just like, Torkoal, and it just steams everywhere.
He's like Dorkle.
I just realized, yeah, I can't go to the fucking
Okay.
I can't go to the freaking town yet.
You're a jerk.
No.
You're a jerk.
Lo siento. Figure.
Oh yeah.
Yes. They'll never know that Figure was real.
Yeah.
Look at that new man. It looks funny.
Oh, we caught one of those.
Did
Right?
you?
Yeah, we did.
Wait.
We named it Bagel.
Oh yeah, we did.
Oh yeah, that's when I was gone.
Yeah, you weren't there, but you...
I was there in the experience.
He was very difficult to fight because he kept on burning two of his Pokemon.
They're still burned too.
Yeah,
I'm gonna bulk up a little bit. I'm gonna take my protein and my creatine.
Your ketamine.
Yeah.
I mean,
Ah, fucking hell! Don't do that. I'm gonna kill
You're
you.
a jerk. You're a jerk.
Oh, you
throw
you
this.
son of a bitch.
Proceeds to poop himself.
Come see this.
Yeah, I'm the superior one.
Oh, crit! Yeah, dude.
Cringe,
That's what I'm
cringe
talking
it, cringe
about.
it.
See that, folks? Any sumo can kick a bodybuilder's ass. Proof right there.
Yes, yes.
Oh yeah,
Sumo's-
sumo wrestler versus MMA fighter.
Who will win?
And everybody's gonna, and the gonna be like, MMA fighters would just hit him instantly.
MMA fighters know everything.
Yeah, the MMA fighter, he would charge his ki so he could do a ki blast on him and then he died.
Discombobulate. That's how exactly MMA fighters think they. That's how MMA fighter fans be like. They be like discombobulate.
Discombobulated.
Just good ball.
No, they think of that Sherlock Holmes scene.
Yeah, that's what I think every MMA fighter is.
Yeah. They're calculating everything. Ooh.
In reality, they're just hugging him a lot. I like when boxers when they hug.
When they hug.
It's because they give up and they don't know what to do when they're in the middle of a match, so they just start grabbing them. And
Oh no,
him.
it's when they're like when their opponent's up and close to them and just like beating the shit out of them. They're just like, let me try to defend myself. I'm just gonna fucking grab them. I'm gonna cheat.
But they give up. They really give up on like what to do.
They really do. It's very sad.
I like watching UFC and all those MMA fights. It's just I get really fucking annoyed when it's just like half the match is just them being on the ground hugging each other. Like, damn it, do something.
Hurry, punch the other guy.
Punch him.
Bro, they just do gay sex.
Yeah, by the time I hit Elite 4, I'm already 100.
Always remember, work harder, not smarter.
Yeah, work harder, not smarter.
Work harder, not smarter.
No.
You know what's funny? That's like my brother's slogan. They're always like, work smarter, not harder. But they say it so condescending, like, they're always like, work harder, not smarter. Work harder, not smarter. And I'm like, oh my god, I swear.
And they proceed to get a muscle tear.
A blood vessel in my eye just pops.
Damn.
There you go.
Every time. They never see it coming.
Oh, is that a Persona 5 reference?
Persona 5 stands they see anything in Japan.
I had to think about it. Oh, you're just like, wait, what?
I did. I was like, wait, what? Never see it coming. And, oh man, these Persona people, I like how it's special defense. Oh! Yes! Yes!
I didn't know he evolves. He's gonna turn into a bigger trash can.
Oh, John, look at him. You're gonna like his design.
Oh, he comes to Yokozuna.
Yes! John, look at him! Look at him! Look at him!
The Rock's cousin!
He's a Yokozuna now.
It's Riki. Oh, I like in the fucking in Emerald because he gets an animation. He does like a super. He does the sumo thing and then he does a super kick.
Oh yes. Yeah.
Oh, he's cracked.
Yeah, fight.
Alright, anime on crack.
Real quick, what are his stats now? Jeez, his health went bumped up drastically.
Look at his HP. Look at his HP stat.
Jeez.
You just take. Yeah,
A
he
little
can take.
high.
Oh my god, they're both stronger than fucking Marshtomp.
Don't worry though. As soon as Swampert comes out,
Forget about it.
forget about
So
it.
these two are done evolving. They're done. I still need to evolve him, and him.
Wait, him? Wait, them can evolve again?
Yeah, remember he becomes Vileplume. The
Vileplume?
mushroom,
Oh,
the
the big
mushroom,
one.
the mushroom flower. Yeah.
Oh, I forgot about that. What level is that?
I just need to find a leaf stone.
Oh.
They're awesome.
Alright, now level up Aaron.
I don't know if you can fight those guys.
I mean, yeah, no, he can't.
I'll just use
Okay.
Marshtomp.
I think the kid, I think the kid and the grandma,
They're the
Have,
last two.
they have a couple they have
Gross.
psychic
Kill
type, I
him.
think.
Oh, you have a Tailo? I'm gonna bring out freaking Aaron then.
Oh, look, a Gal fan.
Toaster, fight! That bird has nothing against the toaster. Go ahead,
That's
what are you gonna do?
Imagine a bird just using a toaster.
You ever see Bruce Almighty?
Yeah.
They teach the dog how to go to the bathroom on the toilet.
Oh, yeah.
You have an
Yes.
Oranberry? You a bitch.
Some people actually do that. They teach their dog how to use the bathroom.
Why? They're dogs. You have to.
You did hear that? You did hear that?
That was sound effect. Loud junk sound effects.
Oh, what was that? Was that a frog? Yeah.
I just
Oh,
think
that's
of like
naive.
those videos, like those. They're like it'll be like the farther like and like the freaking like yelling and the goofy sound effects. You know, like those bit. Oh my
Oh
god.
yeah, the 21st century humor.
Oh my god. Oh,
Die.
that's too good. That's too good. Now the world will know.
What do they know? What do they know?
No, they're gonna know. Oh yes, it just feels good.
Farted.
You have to